Hey there, shoppers. It's Amy, and I don't know about you, but where I live, it is still so hot. And you know what? I don't think there's much of an end in sight. We might be back to school and things related with fall, but you know what? I think we've got another few months of scorching hot weather. And if you're like me and you live in Florida, that might extend year round. But fortunately, I have some products that are going to help you stay cool all year round. These come to us from Candy. And if you don't know much about Candy, I encourage you to check out my other videos. They are an absolutely phenomenal company that has been in business for a really, really long time. I'm talking almost 100 years of making incredible household products. And they make great things like this portable air conditioner and like this oscillating 3-in-1 tower fan. They also do vacuum cleaners and dehumidifiers and so much more. Basically, anything to make your home a little smarter or more comfortable, Candy has you covered. An incredible Italian company, and they do a really, really great job of making products that are going to just make your life, like I said, a little more comfortable, a little easier. And these definitely fit the bill. So we're going to talk about them today and go over some of their features and some of the things that I really like about them. We can start with this portable air conditioner. First of all, this comes with absolutely everything that you need to install it as a window unit, or you can drain out into a bucket, whatever is easier for you and your particular setup. But it's actually really, really easy to move around. You've got built-in handles on the side to help you lift this up if you need for whatever reason, and it's got wheels, of course. So imagine, you're cooking and you need a little bit help running your AC. I know a lot of people have this summer. They complained even if you have central air conditioning that it just hasn't been able to keep up with the extreme heat. That's where a portable unit can come in and can save you a ton of money because they're a lot more energy efficient and they can help keep you cool and help keep your central air running. If you live in a place where maybe you don't have central air and you've realized this summer and maybe the last few summers, oh my goodness, you need to do something different, grab a portable air conditioning unit and that can make all the difference in the world. So this is really great. Like I said, you're cooking, you can have this in the kitchen, and maybe you want to roll into the bedroom at night to stay nice and cool. I promise you, you will sleep better. This is a fantastic option. In fact, that's how Adam and I have been using this. We've noticed our bedroom has all of these big windows and it gets so hot in the day. It gets much hotter in there than the rest of our house. So this is a great option for being able to roll in and keep us cool at night, and it makes a huge difference. This actually works at 3 different ways. So you can use this as, of course, your portable air conditioning. It's in the name, right? So you can use this as an air conditioner. You can also just use this as a fan and air circulator to move that stale air around. That really helps a lot too. It's great to get a nice breeze. And I always think homes and office spaces, wherever, smell a lot better when they have, air moving around. It also works as a dehumidifier. So if you live in a humid climate and you want to make sure that you're pulling all of that extra moisture out of the air, maybe it's your garage, your crawl space, your attic, your job site, this can work for all of that as well. It's got all sorts of different modes. Of course, there's a sleep mode that will make sure that it's super quiet and dims all of the lights. There is a child lock. So if you have kids or pets and you want to lock this and make sure that no one's bumping it, you can do that as well. And of course, you can move all of your speeds up and down, your modes to the 3 different ones that I just described. And you can set your temperature and it will make the room that temperature. So really fantastic. And of course, it comes with all the accessories you need to drain out your moisture, a nice little hose for that. You also have stuff to fix this to a window, so you can easily use this as kind of piping out as a window unit. And there's even a nice carry bag that's really great for storage. So then we have this guy over here, this nice fan. This fan is absolutely fantastic. It looks really cool and sleek and modern. And it actually works in a few different ways as well. So the cool thing is all of this stand right here is very, very adaptable. So you can take this off and you can kind of use this as a pedestal fan, as your taller floor fan, or even as a like desk fan or tabletop fan, all with the same base. All it takes is just unscrewing and choosing basically your height level. So if you want something that's taller and gets the whole room, medium, or of course your desk or your small fan. So it's very, very adaptable to so many different things. Both of these also have remote controls, so you can control them from across the room and keep everything nice and going. This also, not only like we see right now, it's oscillating, but it moves up and down, and you can choose exactly how you want your air circulated. You can see you can move up, down, all around. Really, really cool there. It has a lot of different modes and strengths for your fan. So you can choose if you want something a little bit more, a little bit less. Let's see when it comes back around here. It does have touchscreen and to choose all of your options right here. A nice little light that tells you everything that's going on.
One great thing I love about this fan is that it does have a nice night light with 3 different stage warm glow for peaceful nights. It also has up to 12 different wind speeds. And with those 12 different speeds, you're also going to get 3 different modes. Of course, there's that ultra quiet sleep mode, the natural mode, and normal mode. This is absolutely fantastic throughout all of the seasons. In spring, it works with dehumidifiers to prevent dampness. In summer, it's going to distribute the air conditioned breeze evenly. In autumn, it will enhance humidifier coverage. And in winter, of course, it's going to accelerate the warm airflow of your heaters. So you can use this all year round.
They've enhanced the motor and everything in this fan to make it whisper quiet. Like, you can't hear it at all. I can hear my refrigerator across the house louder than I can hear this fan right next to me, which is really, really incredible. It does allow you to control like the speed, the swing, and the oscillation and everything. And of course, it has a nice little night light as well. So if you want to use this, of course, in your bedroom to keep it a little cooler, maybe have a nice little fan, you can use it for a night light as well. Of course, this works great in your office as your desk fan, or in just different locations if you want something that's a little bit lower, a little bit higher. It all works for you. Both of these are fantastic products that are going to help you keep cool. And honestly, that is one of the most important things to me in my household on a daily basis. It gets so hot here in Florida, and having things to help combat that heat and make you more comfortable, make you more productive, help you have fun in your home. These are absolutely worth it. They are both energy rated to be really nice and efficient, and so they're going to actually end up saving you money on those energy bills when used effectively. They're easy to move from room to room, and they all both work in a variety of ways. Like I said, you have a very functional product here. You can use this as your pedestal fan or your tabletop fan. You can use this in your bedroom as a nice little like night light and give you some ambiance and that kind of thing. You can use this as a dehumidifier, an air conditioner, a fan. And so it's really, really fantastic to have a smart company that makes smart products that work in a variety of ways and give you a ton of options for their functionality. I absolutely love these, and I know that you guys are going to love them as well. I'm going to drop all of those links, some absolutely incredible pricing to give you a little bit of a break right now, especially with back to school. That can be an expensive time of year, but we're going to hook you up with some really, really great quality products at a great price point from Candy. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me. And of course, I'm going to leave all of that information on links below in the description so you can go ahead and check them out and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.